I just threw it. Normally I'm in a great, happy, go-lucky mood.
I gotta pee.
We're making festive cupcakes. That's what we're making. Every once in a while you need one of those days. You know, today's my day. Before we start this video, I can't be the only one on the internet that has these days, or in the world for all that matter. Look at the name of our channel. I think they're done. Oh, you're fogged up. Sorry. Called Real Life with Michelle and Rob. Throw your mother a wedding shower because she needs new things. That's what today is. We're doing real life today. That's what we're doing. So, if you don't want to see real life, I would leave. I would leave right now because it's gotten bad here. I just realized that I have a lot of eggs and I don't even have chickens. I have eggs. I have a lot of eggs. We just went to the grocery store and I told Rob we needed eggs. So we have these 18 cartons of eggs. And then I got home and I looked in the refrigerator and I have these 18, how many's in here? Oh yeah, they're all here. They're all here. Yep. Don't even have a chicken, but we have eggs, like a lot of eggs. Maybe I'll make eggs and I don't know, something. We're going to my daughter's tomorrow. Oh, let me show you what else we have. Since this is real life, keep that in mind, okay? I have this. Any of you have chickens out there? I hear this is really good. Thank you to the company that sent me that to feed my chickens. All right, I was just at the grocery store. I was gonna buy cupcakes to take to my daughter's tomorrow because it's the 4th of July tomorrow. And they wanted $20 for 18 cupcakes. I just couldn't pay that. I'm cheap, I guess. So we're making cupcakes. We're making festive cupcakes. That's what we're making. So anyway, yeah, and don't forget we're real life, okay? We're real lifing it today. I feel fat, okay? I feel fat, I feel bloated, I feel gross, I feel nasty. Do you ever have one of those days? That's the way I feel today. I probably feel fat because I am fat. This is the most I've ever weighed in my entire life. I'm blaming it on COVID. Just like the rest of the world, we all gain the weight and blame it on the COVID. Blame it on the COVID. That's what we're doing, blaming it on the COVID. All right, I even had my teeth, all my teeth pulled, okay? And I went to the doctor and I gained 3 pounds. And I'm like, what the heck? I just had all my teeth pulled. And Rob's like, well, you've been eating all the ice cream too. So anyway, we won't tell you what Rob called me today. I'm like, I'm fat. He said, but you're a sexy fat. Thanks. Thanks for that, Rob. Thanks for that. All right. We're going to make these fun cupcakes, all right? Because this is what we're doing today. All right. This is it. Because I'm cheap and I can't buy the cupcakes that the grocery store is selling for all that money. I can't do it. Not doing it. Can't do it. Nope. Not me. There. We're putting it in this clear bowl that I bought these clear bowls. There. I bought the clear bowls so you could see what I was doing when I was doing it. All the things. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these eggs. Maybe I'll make deviled eggs. My kids like those. Okay. That's one thing I can do with all these daggone eggs. I'm going to do beets and eggs too out of my garden. We're going to do that. And then, I don't know. Maybe I'll color them and take them to my daughter's house and tell all the kids Happy Easter. Hey, the Easter Bunny was at my house last night. Confuse every child that I could do that. What is this? Why is that not going in there? There. I could really confuse my grandkids and that would be hysterical. And there's the well. Okay, that would be hysterical. We have well water here and the well turns on whenever it feels like it. But usually when I'm filming a video, the dog barks. I'm trying. The dog barks and the well turns on. I should make it a song. 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs. I'll be right back. I need oil. 1/3 cup oil, 1 cup water, and 3 eggs. And that's the basic Duncan Hines recipe. That's what we do with Duncan Hines here. 1/3 cup oil. Pour it in there. Throw it in the sink. 1 cup water. 1 cup water. Pour it in there. Throw it in the sink. This is going to be some fun cupcakes. Yeah. Had to put a bra on today. Didn't want to do that. Who wants to wear a bra? Because of COVID, I haven't had a bra on in like a year. Having to get rid of... Well, I don't wear it anyway because my back hurts half the time. So, okay, egg number 2. And then egg number 1. Whoop. Oh, that one splashed out. What smells? Something smells like it's burning. I don't know. Mix it up. Just like a recipe. Done. All right, now, I'm tired of bending over. Now I'm going to get the cupcake things and we're going to put them in the cupcake papers in the thing, in the tray thing. Because I'm going to be putting Jello in these cupcakes and you don't want to miss that. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Normally I'm in a great, happy-go-lucky mood. No, let's just walk around. Normally, what am I looking for? Cupcake papers. All right. Normally I'm in a happy-go-lucky mood all the time. Oh, look, I got a new shirt. Oh, wait a minute. There. Oh. See that? Faith. And then it tells you what it is. Just in case you needed to know what that was. But I'm just today is not my happy-go-lucky mood day. It's just not. Cupcake papers, got them. They're way up high. All right. Sometimes you can have a not so happy day. Every once in a while you need one of those days. You know, today's my day. We were at the grocery store. I needed lettuce. I picked up a head of lettuce and whizzed it at Rob's head. Again, well. And he like caught it so fast. It was so funny. Well, the lady that was next to us just gave me this really like awful look. And I started laughing. And I'm like, and Rob's like, it's all right, she's having a bad day. And I'm like, I am. I said, I'm fat. I'm hot. I just lost my teeth. My feet hurt. And all the things. And the lady bust out laughing. And I said, and I almost peed. I'm laughing so hard. The lady's like, oh, I feel you. I get you. And I'm like, yeah, so you do. She was laughing with me at that point. You know, telling Rob to just catch the lettuce. Always just catch the lettuce. I'm gonna keep on my things. That's pretty nasty. This is one of these deep cabinets that you can't really put anything in the back. I have things in baskets, but you can't really because you just lose it. See, like back there, that looks to be like an eaten cookie. Oh, did you see it? Can you see it? Evidently, it's somebody just took a bite out of that cookie and left it in there. Now that's creepy. That's really creepy. We'll just throw it away. Just pretend like that never happened, okay? That never happened. I can't be the only one on the internet that has these days. Or in the world, for all that matter. I just can't be. I can't be.
1 dozen eggs.
We have 7 dozen eggs, I know.
And we don't need eggs.
We don't need eggs now.
Our chickens are just laying through
I
the
showed
eggs.
them our chicken food. All right, I showed them the chicken food.
Our chickens are just going crazy.
Anybody need any chicken food, hit me up. I know where you can get some. It's the 4th of July, so should I use these red and blue things or the Halloween ones that I have?
Halloween ones. Halloween.
Should we do the Halloween? No, let's do those. I told him I whipped the lettuce at your head. I really did too. Not like mean whipping it. I just threw it.
She threw it at my head. My sexy hat even. Well, luckily I seen it and had my cat-like reflexes. I caught it.
Do you want to talk about my? You called my butt like you called me fat and sexy, all in the same word.
No, she did that.
No,
no,
you did
she
that.
did that.
No, no. I said my butt is huge. I'm huge. My butt's huge. And he's like, it's huge and sexy. I'm like, who says that? Who does that?
Real life.
I told him this is a real life filming today. This is what you get. Tune into this channel. This is what you get today.
Tune in.
I don't know what you're going to get tomorrow, but today, this is what you're getting. Just because, you know, I don't have enough of these things. We may have to do a Halloween theme.
An egg haul?
A what?
An egg haul?
You said egg haul. He said egg haul, E-G-G-H-A-U-L. Say that real fast and see what it sounds like.
You're not gonna go snort. I gotta pee. Just pee a little.
No way. Go outside. Let me film my video. I'm making these cupcakes. Anyway, this is what we're...
Okay, keep rolling.
Alright, I'm going to pour batter in all these. When they're finished and cooked, I'll come back. Alright, I think all of you know how to make a cupcake. Pour the batter in the thing, alright? And then I'll be... Woo! I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm sitting on the couch in there, and I'm like, what's beeping? Why is all this beeping stuff happening? And I'm like, oh, the cupcakes! We're making cupcakes with the people. Okay. I think they're done. Oh, you're fogged up. Sorry. I think they're done, and don't judge on... Everybody's got nasty things, right? Yeah. After you've been married, like, years... You know what I think would be what's beeping? Oh, it's this one. Jeez, turn off the right one. You know what would be a great thing to do? Children, all of you listen up, okay? If you're a child out there, and I guess that would mean me too for my mom. If you're a child out there, throw your parents a wedding shower. Throw your mother a wedding shower because she needs new things just like you do when you got married. If you're married and you've had it, throw your mother one, because wouldn't that be a great idea? I think it would be, because I need new things. Because once you've been married all this time, your towels are nasty and gross, and you need all new things. Your parents would like new things. And don't buy it for them for Christmas either. Your mother doesn't want a pot holder for Christmas. Unless you're 5 and you make it for her. Rob is like, I have the next 3 days off. Do you think we can get along? I'm like, sure. If you stay out in your garage, we'll get along just great. I'm kidding. Rob and I get along. That's why we joke about that. Rob and I rarely fight or anything like that. Back to the cupcakes. What we're going to do now is make up this Jello. And you know how you make a Jello cake? We're going to do the same thing, only with the cupcakes. We're going to do the Jello. In fact, if you just wanted to go ahead and do this, because this video is getting really long. Make the Jello. I got berry blue and cherry. It's color scheme, you know. Normally though, what I do with it, when I make my Jello, I just use 1 cup of water. I just use 1 cup. I don't put in the 2nd cup of water. I do the same. And then I'll go around and poke little holes. Fork, like just hit it a few times with the fork. And then you're gonna pour the Jello down in there. Slowly, you wanna pour these over, so it can kind of slowly go in there. Jello cakes are my favorite cake. But anyway, here you go. This is all you do, and then you put these in the refrigerator just for a couple hours. Frost them, and then voila, you have your own festive cupcakes that didn't cost you an arm and a leg. There you go. Oh. Sleep aid. Hey, Michelle, your sleep aid's in the video. I have to take that at night or I can't sleep. And I am not gonna I'm screaming now. It is, remember real life, okay? Remember that. There you go. Without the real life situation. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe. Come back for more. And I'll see you next time. Bye.